Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5074828 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to go to Windows settings, go to Windows update. Here you can see pause update option, hit pause over here. Once the update is paused, now click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now once this is done, you can go back and then if you see the retry option over here, you can hit retry and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5074828, and then click on search. Now over here, check your system type. So open Windows settings, go to system and then go to about option. Now check your system type. For me it's 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. So this is the right one for me. Now click on download and then you can click on KB5074828 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and then follow the on-screen instruction and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working. Next step is to use open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down. Here you can see recovery option, click on recovery. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.